Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here, and we have got a great shave for you today. This shave is brought to you from Kim Gray. Thank you, Kim. Again, I can't thank you enough. We are using HC&C Unscented soap sample. We're using the brand new Bang & Bowl, and I used Cloud9 oils added in there. I think he said it's supposed to be like green Irish tweed, but better. You get the bergamot and grapefruit, and then that amber really seems to come through for me, and some sandalwood. It's really a nice scent, guys. We're using that Adoration brush. You know I love a boar knot. It's turned out great. I'm going to add a little bit more water to this. This is my first use of HC&C, guys. Never used it before. First use, we'll give it a go. A lot of people say it's great stuff. B-Lou, Jeremy Tyler was on it. Of course, CDB, all these people. Big fans of some HC&C. And it's here in Nashville. I should have tried Pete's stuff sooner. I just hadn't. And then thanks to Kim, I got all that I can, stand. Oh, on top of the Cloud9, I put some Declaration Grooming menthol drops in here just to chill it out. Might as well. Main reason is watching DK, and I got inspired by menthol, so that's how we did it. So we are going to chill a little today. This is a razor that John June restored. I believe it's a Remeso. It's a solingen razor. I believe that is a 4/8. Appears to be Bakelite fake tortoise shell. I did have the edge refreshed by David Gonzalez, and we're going to give it a go. Great little starter razor. I do have the original coffin if anyone's interested. Obviously below will be the email where you can hit me up for razors. Oh yeah. So David's not a huge fan of smaller razors. But this one's nice. I like smaller razors because they're nimble. Like if you've got my beard growth or less, that's what we're going to say. My level of beard growth or less. This is a great little razor. If you got rosin beard, man, stick with the safety. That's all I can really tell you. So, and I say refreshed by David. David probably did redo the bevel and everything. Some of the razors I've had have been a while, or John sent me some razors that weren't on point. I think his strop went bad, and he didn't realize it because John he owns so many razors he can't shave every one of them. But if you live close to him, pretty much he'll make it right, is the whole thing, if everyone turns out not right. So, we did take care of this. Sorry, I wanted to hit that again just right. Oh, it's such nice. I do like the little ones, man. I can just, if you can see, should have added more water. It is dry. I could tell when I was hitting the neck it was still a little dry. So So that tells me HC&C is thirsty. I did heavy load though, so I probably should have added a lot more water. But I owed it. I put a butt ton of water in there. That's all I can tell you. It's a nice scent though. I don't get green Irish tweed because when I smelled it before I looked up the scent, what he said, I don't get green Irish tweed. But Cool Water is supposed to be Davidoff's take on green Irish tweed. I believe they came out a year apart. And I don't get green Irish tweed when I smell Cool Water, so what do I know? All right, we got this in here, and it is nice and cool with the synthetic menthol, just a little tingly. And I put a lot in there, so. And I added it after I whipped up the lather, and then started up, and I wonder if that dried it out a little. Add a little bit more water. My technique is not great. We need that extra slickness, guys. We want that slickness with my straight razor shaving. Ooh, that feels a little cold to the skin. That's what I like to see. So, ooh. I mean, seems pretty nice, guys. I did doctor it up, though. You know, we added the oils. We added menthol drops. Still performing well. All right. There we go. And I'll link all this stuff below. Very nice. There we go. Clean it up. Oh, it feels so good. Just something about hitting that line just right. That sounded messed up, didn't it? I'm talking about shaping the line of your beard. Not other lines that people may do that I know nothing about. That was too steep of an angle, did not cut myself, but I do not approve of that angle. All right. Things I don't do as well as I should is move my stretch. A nice little shave. Scraped over a bump there. I think I cut that last straight razor shave. Don't know if y'all picked up on that, but there was actually some hair that was sitting on the skin that had come off from the lather. There we go. Very nice little shave though. So if anybody's interested, definitely a great little deal. Hit me up, ask, we'll talk about price then. I kind of feel bad shilling on my videos. Wipe it dry real quick. I don't mind telling y'all they are available for sale, but hit me up on the side and we will make a deal. And I guarantee they will be great deals. So let me rinse up and we will be right back. All right guys, so I had to go and find something because I hadn't picked up what splash to use. So we're going to use Sauvage by Dior. Give it a little go. I like a good amount of splash. Doesn't necessarily match, but they can go together. And soap scent isn't going to hang around forever. Although I don't know, essential oil being on the skin. And it wasn't cooked in the soap. I don't know how that would go. Whew, I'm going to tell you what, if you can actually get the Dior Aftershave of Sauvage, it's good stuff, especially if you like the EDT. Really good stuff. A little pricey, but good stuff. Kim, thank you for the brush. If it is gelled, it's gelled just to the point I liked. It picked up everything in the bowl nicely. It's soft. Haven't lost hairs. Again, thank you, Kim. I greatly appreciate it. HC&C bowl. Nothing was left in the bottom. Doo-doo-doo-doo. There you go. Reflections. But, very excited. Wonderful lather. The only downside, if I was going to say there was any downside, and no one else would notice unless they were just, you know, a Captain's Choice junkie like me, is I miss this. It's where I keep my thumb. Sometimes I get going and it's kind of wanted to slide a little. But, still wonderful. Nothing wrong with it. Like I said, the only thing I enjoy more about this one, like, this may lather faster than this one does for me. But I do miss the little thumb hole thing. So, alright guys, thank you for tuning in, and hopefully I'll catch y'all again later this week.